Chloe. Hey.
Splash. Splash your brother. Splash him. Okay, let her go now. Get him. Splash him. Ready? Oh, not so much, Matt. Not so hard, though. Not so hard. What you got? Just go splashing your brother. Get him.
Oh, that's wet.
Shut the door.
My legs. Look at the legs.
Woo! Are you guys rub-a-dub-a-dubbing? Rub-a-dub. Matt, get your hair wet.
No.
Hey, baby. Can you say hi? Chloe, go splashing. Chloe, go splashing. Yay! Not dancing, splash.
Yeah.
Not dance.
Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance, dance.
Ready?
No.
1, 2.
That's hot.
This feels good. Here, let me get it over here then. Chloe laughed when I did it on her head.
Oh, it's so hot.
Ain't too hot.
Let me get one here. Squirt. Squirt. Boy, I used too much on yours, Matt.
Man, I ain't did it.
Look at you both got cone heads. They give you both a beard.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yay, 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 yay. Okay, say hi.
Give me a big towel.
Not yet.
Here. Okay. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi. Here, you want me to fix your hair, Matt?
Thanks, Lily's there too.
There. Get him. I can't fix Chloe's hair. She doesn't have any. So turn it off, Richie.
All my hair off.
Say hi.